Hello everyone, this is Neelu. So you can see I'm all a little dressed up and got ready. So I wanted to make a video on my review of lipsticks and eyeliners. I have this obsession for lipsticks, eyeliners. I have the same shade of lipsticks, and Christmas is just around the corner and we have the new year, so everyone is eagerly waiting for 2021 to come. So let us see. Though we don't have great plans like going hanging out with friends, we can just get ready for ourselves, just take a moment and be grateful for what we have done and be grateful that we are alive. So yes, let's get started with the video. So yes, as I was telling, I have this obsession with lipsticks. I'll show you what all shades I have, and then I'll be even testing them with water and moisturizer to just remove them and how smoothly it goes away or how long it stays for. So firstly, we have the Maybelline one. It is super matte ink. It's in the shade 70 and I just love it. Okay, it's transfer proof, it's water resistant, it is smudge proof. It's really so good. And with this, I have this Nykaa Lipstone lip liner, and it just goes well with the shade. And the next thing I have is the Lakme Forever Matte. These are the new ones that are in the market. I think I bought it for around 250 rupees or something. It was in some offer, I guess, by then. I don't know. Yeah, so even this is really good, and you can tell. I'll apply and I'll show you. So even the lip liner matches with this one as well. And I have a lip gloss. I rarely use this. It's just, you know, when I'm in a mood for I want to shine kinds, I use this. And I bought this for myself when I was in the US. It was around $11 to $12, I guess. But this one I don't really use it because it's not transfer proof and it just smudges away, which I don't like, because whenever I go out, obviously I eat something, I drink something, and it just comes off, so I don't prefer it that much. And this is Wet n Wild. It's in the shade Cherry Bomb, if you can see that. It's the shade Cherry Bomb, and yeah, here it is. So this one, it is a gift from one of my friends and a lip liner with it. So these are my lipsticks, and then we go on to the eyeliners. I just love this L'Oreal Lacquer. It's so good. It's around 650 bucks and it's waterproof, smudge proof. I use it every day, and even right now I'm applying the same eyeliner. And for party wear, I have this LA Metallic liquid liner. It's in this shade. It's neon blue and it's really good for like when you go for parties and stuff. And these are a few, like this is in the pencil kind, the eyeliner LA Colors. Even this is from the US. Apparently I've never used this one, and this is from Wet n Wild. It says breakup proof also. I don't know why would someone write that. It's breakup proof, water, retractable eyeliner and stuff. I've never used it really because I'm in love with the L'Oreal Paris one. And the next one is Lakme Iconic. I don't find that interesting, but I have it though. And this is my first eyeliner I've ever used, the Itex Dazzler one. I don't use it anymore. And this one was the tattoo liner. Even this is from the US, and one of my friend gifted this as like a memory. So it's really special to me. And one more thing recently is the Lakme eyeshadow palette. The 4 beautiful colors, and they're really good. I'm gonna swatch them on my hand and I'll show you. So the first one is a pinkish shade. So it's really light, it glows, and you can use it as a blush also if you want. And this shade, it just glows up. It's the gold color with a shimmer to it, and it's just really good. It just goes with everything. And if you want to create crease on your eyelid, this shade is also good. It's brick brown. And one more shade we have is the dark brown. I'm gonna swatch it here. Yeah, see, So I do a combination of this dark brown and this peachish, the pinkish shade for the eyeshadow, and then it's really good. It goes with, if you want to go with something for party kinds, I put a lot of pink and the gold color. If I want to go something like really calming, or if I want to look a little decent, you know what I mean, like not too much like, yes, I'm wearing makeup kinds, but yeah, I have makeup but it doesn't reflect that much. So I use this pink and this one. I use this on the inner eye and this will be on the outer eye. Like I've applied it right now. I don't think you can see that now. So it's like this. Okay, now let's test the lipsticks. I'm super excited. I don't know, I use them every day, but I'm just so excited. Okay, I'm just in love with this one. It's super cute. I don't know. I have tried it for the first time and I really like it. Okay, so first I'll be showing you the lip liners, how they look and all. And for the lipsticks, we'll be doing a smudge test and then a water test, and then I'll be applying a moisturizer and see how easily it goes off. So let's get started with it. So this is the Nykaa Lipstone Live one. It's very creamy and it stays there. So let's give a little time before we swatch it. So the Wet n Wild one, it's really creamy and it just glides over. If you see, it just glides over with minimum pressure. It's just really good. And then I'm swatching it. Yeah, they do go away. The Nykaa one has completely erased, as you can see. There's barely a little left, and it's the same with the Wet n Wild one. They don't stay, so I don't know. I've never really observed my lip liners. I'm more into lipsticks, as I've been mentioning. So firstly, the Maybelline one. So the thing I like about it is the tip is really flexible and it gives you a proper, you know, the perfect line. So the shade is like this. It's really creamy. It's a matte one, so I'm really more into matte lipsticks and stuff. And the second one, so what I'll be doing, I'll apply the lipstick and let it dry for a while, and then I'll be doing all the other tests. So this is the second shade, if you see. And we have the Bare Mineral one, the expensive one for me at least. Yeah. It's very creamy, see. I'm gonna apply it. By now you have understood that I'm more into browns than into reds and pinks. It really suits me well, I feel, at least. So this one is the Wet n Wild Cherry Bomb. Ooh, that is so creamy and it has a lot of color to it, like really lot. As you can tell, I've barely used it. I've tried it for once and I was not a fan of. So okay, and the lip gloss, I don't think it is fair to apply a lip gloss, but I'm gonna show you the color of it. It's so pretty and it smells like strawberry and watermelon, a fusion of them. You know the Nivea lip balms you have like in different flavors, like strawberry flavor and then watermelon. If you combine them, you get a very different kind of flavor. You can't really express it, so it's that flavor. And yep, it's like that, the lip gloss. It has a red tint to it though. Let's allow them to dry. I think this time should be good enough. So let us swatch them. I'll swatch like once, I'll smudge them and see which one stays and not. So let's go, starting from the lip gloss. Definitely you can see the lip gloss has gone, and this one, the Bare Mineral, it's smudging, and the Lakme one is still there. It is smudge proof. And this is the Maybelline one, the second one. Yep, it stays. It doesn't leave. So this is the Wet n Wild one. So let us give it one swatch. It just goes away. It doesn't stay. And the next thing we'll be doing is a water test. So I have a spray bottle filled with water, nothing else. So let us try it. Just I'll do 2 sprays and let us see. And 2. I have a tissue here, and 3, 2, 1. Okay, that's interesting. The Bare Mineral and the Wet n Wild and the lip gloss have gone completely, and these two are still there, the Maybelline and the Lakme one. So that is the reason I like them. So whenever you eat something really oily, or I drink a lot of water, so when you do that, your lipstick just goes away, and it's really annoying because till then you have this really good lipstick on you, and then suddenly it goes up, and it'll be super awkward for the other person. At least he'll be like, okay, you have makeup on. Never let that happen. Okay, the next is moisturizer. So let us see and try to remove it. I have a new tissue now, and I'm using Cetaphil to see. So it is lightweight, it is hydrating, it's amazing for daily use, and it is suitable for all skin kinds. It doesn't get oily and stuff also. So let us see. I'm gonna do like little, that much, and then so this is the tissue I'll take, and I've applied a little extra pressure, and you see all the other things have gone. And one thing I've seen is the Bare Mineral has left a tint, a mark, and the Wet n Wild also has a color left. These two haven't gone. I'm gonna give a little rub to it and see. So with a little rub, the Lakme has gone, and the clear winner here is the Maybelline. So it's just super amazing, and I have to struggle really hard to get this out. I don't know, I have to try with micellar water also, which I don't have right now. So if you really put pressure and keep doing this, if you keep rubbing it, yeah, it definitely goes. And I've put a lot of pressure, and with a single application, see, this is how much the Maybelline has. That's really amazing. I want that kind of lipsticks. So before buying the Maybelline one, I've bought all the others, and now I don't think I'll need them. And for daily use, Lakme is good enough. It's really good for daily use. If I'm going out for just a while, to a bank or a shop to get some stuff, or I have a little work to do, I'll use the Lakme. If I'm going for an event, or if I'm going out with my friends, hang out for a longer time, I'll use a Maybelline one.